Hey, yeah, everyone. Again, we're still working on number 12 here. Okay, you can pause the video, read it through. I'm not gonna bother myself why I've already done that on my previous solution on this exercise. Okay, so let me jump onto it. I don't know, you guys, if you want me to also play around with my variables as well, because I know to some of you guys out there, my stuff might seem even more repetitive. Why I keep using one and the same variables, right? As opposed to using different variables names. Okay. Again, if you're quite against that, you are at liberty to say so. Number of rows. Number of rows. Again, you guys, I thought, you know what, let me play around with nested loops. I know there's a time t such that at t this stuff right here, nested loops, might come in handy. Okay, and again, feel free to skip this tutorial if you don't see the point of knowing them, right? Oops, wrong. Right there supposed to go I plus 1, and then I simply print whatever that I wanna print, which is a bunch of asterisks in this case. As for my separator, I'll have nothing, and then I'll stay on the same line. Okay, there we go again with people. Now I wanna go to the next line. Again, let's hit the run button and see what we get. Again, people shouldn't miss the point here, you guys. I'm showing you guys out there how things can be done. My solutions aren't necessarily the best solutions one can possibly find. So you shouldn't think about efficiency, nor should you think about effectiveness when it comes to my programs, right? Good. Let me hit the run button and see what we get. Oops. Bam. Really? Let's see. Oh, I misspelled the word print. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Seems like we're good, you guys. That should do it for this tutorial, you guys. Again, you may make an argument that what if a person enters a negative number? In that case, let's see what's going to happen. We don't necessarily have to take care of that case. Why our loop won't get executed, and see, we just get nothing. Literally get nothing. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. Cheers, I am gone.